Thanks for calling. Calls are recorded for quality. Welcome back, Peter. My name is Brooke. What can I do for you today?
Set up an oil change appointment, please.
Sure. One moment. This is for your 2024 Ford F-150, right?
That's right.
Thanks. What's the approximate mileage on your F-150? It's okay if you don't know it.
20,000 miles.
Got it. Before I book that, I see your F-150 is due for mileage-based maintenance. Would you like to book the maintenance package?
Sure.
Give me just a moment to see what's available. One more question before we schedule your service. You can also drop off your vehicle or wait for it. Which one would you like?
Wait for it.
Great. You can make yourself at home in our waiting room with free Wi-Fi and coffee. The first available appointment is Sunday, September 8th at 3:15 p.m. Feel free to take that one or tell me when you'd like to bring it in.
I'll take that one.
Great. Let me get that appointment booked for you. You're all set for Sunday, September 8th at 3:15 p.m. Is there anything else I can do for you?
Nope, I'm good. Thank you.
Got it. Thanks for calling. Have a great day.